This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Hey!
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Hey, Dad, I need you to sign this for me.
Oh, God. Did you get another note sent home?
Yeah, you're probably not gonna be too happy about this one, Dad.
You spit on your teacher?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah, I meant to pretend, but then I actually did, and it was just really bad.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He.
Jealous pet challenge. Whenever your dog is in another room or just isn't paying attention, act like you see something so adorable and see how they react.
Oh my God, it's so cute. Look how little it is.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
If you don't like me, that's fine. But, you know, watch your mouth.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
That's it. You're no longer allowed to sleep on this bed because all you do is lay here 24 hours a day and don't do anything. I even bought you a ball and you don't even play with it.
I'm a puppy. Cute, lovable, cuddly. I enjoy when you rub my tummy. I love treats because they are so yummy. I'm your buddy. Yeah, I'm a puppy.
Yo, Peanuts, my lord.
Good night, Elon. Good night, Elon. I knew it. Go to your room.
Oh, here he goes. Do you see this right now?
Oh my God. Okay.
It is bedtime. Let's go. Coda. It is 10 o'clock at night. Let's go. Inside. Come on.
Give me your butt. Give me your butt. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Oh, see how annoying it is when somebody wakes you up while you're sleeping? Oh, I'm sorry.
Hello. Hi, come here. Come here. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Close the door. Close. Close the door. Go close the door. Good girl, Sadie.
You may not know this dog, but this is a very good dog. That's Cole, the 7-year-old black lab who gets to fetch the tee after each kickoff. And he's getting ready to go. 7-year-old black lab, his first season doing this. Been using a dog at Boise State to snatch up those tees for a long time. Cole's ready to go again. It's our little buddy out.
Steven, it is 1:03 a.m. Please don't do this. This is not the time, sir. Boo. No, nothing? You're scaring me!
Oh, is this real? Just take yourself on.
Are you gonna tell him or should I tell him?
Let's both tell him.
Okay, let's go. Ryder,
Ryder, you can't go bye-bye with us this weekend.
you gotta stay home. You gotta stay home, is that okay? Aww.
Pull that down. You broke it.
Excuse me. What are you doing? You don't even know how to swim. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Am I gonna have to go in? Oh my gosh.
Did your big sister run into you? He's okay, sweetie.
So the other night, my dog Murray was outside doing his business, and he kept going under the porch and wouldn't come when I called him, so I went out to see what was going on. Turns out he found a nest of bunnies, and I think he thought they needed help because he brought them out into the yard. We thought that there was 5, but the next morning, he kept going underneath the porch and alerted me to the fact that there was more. He pointed out where they were and then actually gently nudged them with his head until they were close enough to me that I could go underneath and pick them up and put them with their siblings. We covered them with a laundry basket because he thought that they were his babies, so he had to keep a very close eye on them. He actually even tried to clean them off a little bit and yeeted them with his tongue, but they didn't seem to mind. Someone from a wild care place came and helped us re-nest the babies so that their mom could come and feed them and keep an eye on them. She's been back a few times, and Murray really misses them, but they're safe now, and that's the best thing for them.